choose three news stories for you. All are related to aid deliveries to the people of Tigray, Amhara and Afar. We have a breaking news for you. Firstly, that first convoy carrying aid deliveries is on its way to Tigray. We can confirm that the convoy is on its way. Secondly, Kambolcha viewers. Around 70,000 metric tons of aid are waiting to be distributed in Cambodia. Such a huge amount of aid is pending distribution in Cambodia. We'll have a detailed look at this thing, viewers. And thirdly, for the last few hours, some Ethiopian government-backed activists have been claiming that US aid and USDA are suspending their operations in Ethiopia. They will not send any aid deliveries for IDPs in Ethiopia. Though so far no confirmation from any official Ethiopian news source or Ethiopian official, but the way these rumors are being spread, there must be a clarification, viewers. Why is USAID or USDA suspending its aid deliveries to Ethiopia? Firstly, viewers, first humanitarian aid convoy in the past few weeks is on its way to Tigray. I think 48 hours ago, I told you about an unofficial understanding reached between Ethiopian and Tigray's governments with the mediation of UN aid agencies. Martin Griffith, humanitarian chief, visited Ethiopia a few days ago. He met with Afar, Amhara and Tigray leaderships, especially Tigray and Amhara leaderships. And he met with Demeke Mekonnen, Deputy Prime Minister of Ethiopia as well. After that, we heard that aid will be supplied to Tigray, and aid flights will land at Kambolcha and Dasi for delivery of aid to the people in those areas which are under TDF control in Amhara region. Now, we have an update that first convoy of the aid trucks is on its way in Afar region towards Mekelle. Where has it reached? We don't have any concrete information, but we can only confirm that it is on its way, and this convoy has been sent after mutual understanding. Will Afar regional government ensure its safe passage through Afar towards Mekelle? That remains to be seen, because we have seen fighting in Afar between Tigray Defense Force and Afar militias in the past few days. There must be anger in Afar. So, will Afar regional government provide security to this convoy or not? The convoy is on its way. There are two checkpoints in Afar, Sardo checkpoint and another one. Because on these two checkpoints, these convoys are stopped. They are thoroughly checked. Reportedly, the convoy has not crossed the two checkpoints so far. It will take some time. I'll keep you updated about this convoy. If this convoy reaches Mekelle, it would be a breakthrough, I think, in terms of delivery of aid to Tigray through Afar. Secondly, was Kambolcha. Today we received some reports that in Kambolcha around 70,000 tons of aid is pending distribution. WFP warehouses have around 20,000 metric tons of aid pending distribution in Kambolcha, and other partners, other aid agencies, their aid pending distribution in Kambolcha is around 50,000 metric tons. So 70,000 metric ton aid is waiting to be distributed in Cambodia. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. Such a huge amount of aid is waiting to be distributed. Ethiopian government must step up its clearance procedure because UN aid workers cannot travel without the approval of UN authorities. If they want to fly to Mekelle, they need to go through a clearance procedure. They cannot move without the permission of Ethiopian government authorities. Ethiopian government must step up its clearance process, and it should coordinate with aid agencies for the distribution of this aid. Such a huge amount of aid is waiting to be distributed. There is no fighting in Cambodia now, I can confirm. I know I've been updating you. There is no fighting in Cambodia now. Cambodia is peaceful. This aid can be easily distributed among the people of Cambodia, people of Dasi, people of Vuldia and Wog Hemra. It can be sent to Tigray as well through Gondar. 2 roads from Gondar to Tigray, one to Humera and the other to Shire, can be used for the aid to be sent to Tigray. So a huge amount of aid is waiting to be distributed. I think aid agencies which have been under pressure in Ethiopia and Amhara, they should be supported by Ethiopian government, by Tigray government, and this aid should be distributed on urgent basis because people are in need. We know that in Amhara, in Afar, in Tigray, hundreds of thousands of people are in dire need of this aid. That is why the procedure of the distribution of this aid must be stepped up, I would say. And lastly, viewers, for the past few hours, some Ethiopian government-backed activists have been claiming that USAID and USDA, they have decided that now they will not send any aid for IDPs in Ethiopia. So far, we don't have any official statement from USAID Ethiopia, or Ethiopian government. But these rumors are being shared by several sources. That is why there must be a clarification. Is USAID cancelling its operations in Ethiopia? USAID has been under lots of pressure in Ethiopia. We know that Samantha Power visited Ethiopia. PM Abiy gave her the cold shoulder, did not meet with her. She issued very strong statements against Ethiopian government. So there was a friction between Ethiopian government and USAID. Ethiopian government has been accusing USAID of backing TPLF. Is USAID suspending its operations in Ethiopia? Or are there any procedural delays? Is Ethiopian government trying to make USAID suspend its operations by creating hurdles in USAID operation? There must be a clarification. We're waiting for some confirmation from Ethiopian government and USAID officials. Samantha Power is very fond of tweeting. She likes to tweet very frequently. So maybe she or other USAID officials must clarify why is that, if it has been decided, are these rumors or USAID is cancelling its operations in Ethiopia? Waiting for confirmation. I'll update you in coming videos. Thank you for watching.